Welcome back. Mentioned before I had a big box of items come from UMAREX, and this is the first release in those 8 that have come, and this is the Glock 17 Gen 5, is it Gen 5? Mark 5? Gen 5 Coyote. So let's have a look at what you get in the box. The all-important instructions. These are the Still BB 4.5mm options. You get your usual important information. Gun tool. And the all-important Glock 17. So this is Coyote, so I think that's kind of like this tan sandy colour. These are the CO2 gas powered, and you can have, I think it's 13 shots in these magazines. Let's have a look. 18 shots. So if you fax CO2, less than 3 joules, 4.5mm Still BB, metal slide, glass blowback, single action. Not really shot any Glocks, so look forward to having a play with this one on the range. All that's left to say, cheers.